What's up, kisses? Welcome back to our channel. It's me, April, and welcome to our Pink Princess channel. Okay, guys, as you can see in the title bar, we're going to have our updated Kiki Kit. Okay, guys, look at my Kiki Kit. It's so cute, right? So, kana iyang mga drawing, guys, na siya mga lip tint, mga perfume, mga makeup, and other chuba-chuchu, foundation, blah blah blah, like that. So, isn't it cute? And the zipper, the color, actually, ang color ani guys is peach ni siya. And then, the zipper is color pink. And, this part here is color green. Yan, so cute. So guys, by the way, road to 1,000 subscribers na ta. And thank you so much, guys, to those who subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And to those who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, guys, because, you know, maghatag ko og giveaway, guys, and it's going to be a Kiki Kit. Not this, but a Kiki Kit like this. So cleaning ta, and then so dili pa na ako ihatag ang mechanics karon kay sunod na pag 1,000 na gid ta. So I think mga 50 na lang ang kulang, or 50 ka pin, something gamay naman dyan. And I hope this week makuha na nato. Guys, please support our channel. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's get started.
We'll go.
So, ayan. By the way, this Kiki Kit, ano ni siya, muna akong ginagamit when I go to school, when I go to church, when I go everywhere. So, ana na din hitanan ako ang panggamiton. Kaya lang pong mga basic na ako nga panggamiton. Okay, so let's get started. And the first thing na imong makita din here is the Style Serum from Pen Shop. And this one is only 89 pesos. Because guys, ang akong hair, rebonded ni siya. And dili ko ganahan kung dry kayo siya. So I need this serum for my hair. And it smells so good. Yep, you must try it. And next is a perfume, a cologne from Daily Scent. I like the scent of this. From Bench. Bench ba hindi? Naging bench. And then next here is alcohol nga hapit na nahurot. It means ginagamit na ako, di ba? So mag-implement din ako nga makuot diretso nang na siya sa ibabaw. And then next is this one, the concealer. Pero guys, mostly the concealer ko din nilang sa house. There is no room. So ginadala lang ako in case of emergency. This one is Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. And I got the shade medium 25. Next is I have the Vice Cosmetics, the takay pinakadaghan og nice nga reviews. Okay, muna siya. Tanawa guys, hapit na siya maubos kay permintigin everyday gid ako siya ginagamit. And this one is so nice. Other than the Fit Me foundation, nice gyapon ni siya. Nice gyapon to pero mas mahal to kani mas affordable. So kana na lang, di ba? Yan. So this one also, I got the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. And this one is really nice. And I got the Fashion 21. Okay, I got the light brown Fashion 21 brow pencil. Okay, next one, I got this. And you know guys, I'm currently loving this shovel. Daghan pa siya mga nice na reviews. Ayan. Daghan pa kayo siya sulod kay, I think it has 6.5 grams. Diba? Hati. Muna akong ginagamit karon. Nice kind na siya. And next one, gamay na lang. This one is my current favorite also, guys. The matte lip tint from Detail. Actually, dili kay ko mahilig og mga matte, but this one is so nice, guys. As in, pigmented siya, and then dili siya drying. Look at my lips. Actually, dry lips ko. So, dili ko ganag matte kay mag-crack na dahil na siya, maklaro na ang cracks na. But this one, first time na ako nga nagamit og lipstick na matte. This is so nice. And I think this one is only 225 pesos compared to other matte lipstick, diba, mas mahal. So diba, mas barato niya siya. This one is so good. You must try it. And then I got this last two lipstick here. This one is from my mom. Thank you, mom. So this one is from I don't know, but I got the shade B22, Sweet Night B22. So this is from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Listen, look at the packaging, guys, naman. It's so nice. It's so nice. No, swatch lang ako. Gusto ba sa akong kamot? Ano lang? Diba? So, good for everyday makeup, everyday lipstick. Especially sa among school kay dili bawal may mag-lipstick o mga red, ganun too much ng color. And this one also guys, I love this one. The detail, and I have the shade SM21 Happy. But, ano lang siya guys, dili ko ganahan kay murag, dali na siya naguba sa ako Swatch lang tanan. Taday! So, mas brown ni siya gamay. Mas nude. Diba? But it's nice. Nice. Ayan, next I got, this one, napaday ko. Actually, dili kanina ko siya ginagamit sa school kay very red na kayo siya. So, I usually use this when I go travel. Kaya nga no, kung mag-bus ko guys, mas stress dito ko og maayo super, and I hate it. Like, luya na kay ko tanawon. So, para dili kay ko murag luoy kayo kitaon, I will use this one, the red lipstick. Yan. Para dili ko stress kitaon. Yan. So, try na ninyo guys. Very nice na tip na. So, and then this one, the Vaseline Lip Therapy in pink one. This smells so good. So guys, gayus ko ani kay kung matte, diba, dugay siya matanggal. So kung magkaon ko tapos na erase ng uban, so kailangan ako siya i-erase na lang din siya tanan, and then mag-reapply ko. So this one, gamit na ko siya para dali siya matanggal, din ako mag-struggle. Yan. So helpful siya sa ako. And then I have here a hair velcro. So every time na mag-redo ko sa akong makeup, akong buhok kay grabe ka yan. So ayan, so magamit ko ani. But guys, abilan pud na ako ingon ani sa ato ang giveaway. So next, I promise you nga daghan ang inyong madawat. So you'll be happy kung mag-appeal mo sa atong giveaway. So abangan na sa mga next na akong videos. Yan. So and the last thing that I got in my Kikay kit is this one. My brushes, 2 brushes. This one is for powder brush. I actually got this from Miso. And then I got the blush brush for my blush. Yeah. So, and also this three. I have 3 cotton pads, pink cotton pads. Kung kita ninyo, pink na siya guys, as in pink din na siya. And then ako lang siyang ibutang din sa Ziploc, of course, for hygienic purposes kay mga abog dili na to malikayan, no? Yan. Na siya, i-lock siya, and then you put it in your bag. So that's the last item that I have here in my Kikay kit. Nana lang siya ka-simple guys, mo lang to ang sulod. So guys, by the way, I'd like to share this to you. I have a lot of trendy trendy Korean clips like this, and I have here a lot. I have a lot, and I still have heart shapes. I have crown. Kita ninyo? And then I have ribbon, and I have here katong square rectangle lang siya. Tada. Yan. So guys, pag ma-appeal mo sa ato ang giveaway, tagaan ta mo og ingonani because I have a lot. So, ayan. Excited naman good kumahatag sa itong giveaway. Pero, next video na nga itong mechanics. Okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for clicking this video. And thank you so much for subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And guys, till my next vlog. And before I end this video, shout out the iconic... Shout out ko ni Jeremiah Barajas. Hello! And to Ate Shaira Katuburan and Ate Agueva. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for supporting our channel. Until my next vlog. Bye-bye!